Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through to replacing the battery in your Philips Aqua Plus vacuum cleaner. Let's get started. First, use a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to remove the back cover. And then remove the old battery. And replace it with the Sino CS-PHC812VX battery. Put the back cover back in place. And that is, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Philips Aqua Plus vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.